How's it going, everybody? Welcome to the first episode of Anxious Hacks, where I'm going to be showing you guys some of my daily life hacks that help me get through my day. So today, as you can see from the title, I'm going to be showing you how to make fresh iced tea in under 30 seconds. All you're going to need is some iced tea or tea packets and a glass of ice cold water. It's real easy. Take one tea bag or two bags, these come in twos. Get a pair of scissors. Cut the top off the tea bag so they're exposed. And it's real simple. You just take the tea bag, put it in your mouth, there you go. Got fresh iced tea. It's so good. I need to add some more. Oh. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this life hack. I hope you guys use it in your day-to-day lives. I mean, it is a lifesaver. Thanks for watching the video, guys. I'll see you in the next one.